Hi guys, today let us learn about the belt drives. Well, what is a drive? Drive is a mechanism which is used to transmit power and speed from the prime mover, that is the machine which produces the power, to the driven machine. So, what is belt drive? Well, belt drive is a mechanism which is used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft by means of rotating pulleys and a conveyor belt. Here, the power is transmitted from the driving pulley to the driven pulley by means of the frictional grip between the belt and the pulley surface. Next, let us look into the types of the belts which are used in the belt drive system. Flat belt. Well, this is a belt which has a rectangular cross section. The width of the belt will be higher than its thickness. These belts are used to transmit moderate amount of power. They are used only when there are two pulleys and these pulleys are not more than 8 meters apart. Next, the V belts. Well, these belts will have a trapezoidal cross section. These are used where great amount of power is to be transmitted. They are used when power transmission will occur between two pulleys which are nearer to each other. Next, the circular belt. Well, these type of belts will have a circular cross section. They are also used to transmit great amount of power. They will be used when the pulleys are located more than 8 meters apart. Now, moving on to some of the definitions in the belt drive system. Slip. Well, slip is the difference between the linear speed of the pulley rim and the belt passing over it. Well, we know that in the belt drives, power is transmitted due to the frictional grip between the belt and the pulleys. But sometimes due to the wear of the belt, the frictional grip between the belt and pulley becomes insufficient and this will lead to a difference in speeds known as slip. The slip will usually be represented in terms of percentage. Next, the velocity ratio. Well, this is defined as the ratio of the speed of the driven pulley to the speed of the driving pulley. Hence, velocity ratio is given by capital N divided by small n, or also small d divided by capital D, that is the diameter of the driving pulley to the diameter of the driven pulley. When thickness of the belt is considered, the formula is modified into velocity ratio equals n divided by n, it is equal to small d plus t divided by capital D plus t, where t is the thickness of the belt. Also, the linear velocity of the driving pulleys are given by the formula Vd is equal to pi dn by 60, where d is the diameter of the pulley and n is the speed of the pulley. Next, creep. Well, in a belt drive system, there exist two sides, that is the slack side and the tight side. The tight side is the region around the larger pulley where there is high tension of the belt. The slack side is in the smaller pulley where the belt tension is comparatively lesser than the tight side. Hence, when the belt passes from the slack side to the tight side, a certain portion of the belt will extend due to its elastic nature and the increase in tension, and it will contract again when the belt will pass from the tight side to the slack side. Due to the change in length of the belt, there is a small relative motion between the belt and pulley surface. This motion is known as creep. This creep will hence cause a reduction in the velocity ratio and also the efficiency of the belt drive system. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.